Alright guys, so this is largely a small update. I've decided to install the video card anti-sag holders. So yeah, first I'll do the anti-sag holder itself. The case out. Alright. Okay, so yeah. Not very sure how to install these. Kind of afraid, but I think it should be kind of straightforward. Yeah, here we go. I think first we need to get rid of the two side screws. Oh, this one's pretty tight. It's okay, I got it. Alright. I'd like to install the anti-sag itself. I have to position myself. You can see it. Yeah, it's a bit tough. This, because of its position. Alright. Things like this, so yeah. Put this away and yeah, should be like that, I think. Let's see. Yep. Alright. So the screw and immediately clamps in. Very short screw, so yeah. You know what? This screw feels a bit wrong yesterday. The one down here. So I'm going to remove this one. Feels a bit too tight. It's a bit too long, so yeah. Get rid of this one and move it this one here. Hold on, I need a flashlight. Okay. And down here. Nope. This one's not biting at all. Weird. Wait a minute, problem. Why isn't this screw biting? It's long enough, isn't it? Strange. That's supposed to be slightly longer. Oh, there are slightly longer screws for this thing. Okay. Alright, there's supposed to be slightly longer screw for this thing. So we'll just use that. Fine. It's a bit tight. Oh, it didn't bite though. Okay, it's in. No, it's not. A bit tough to turn, but okay, I'll check. Also a bit loose. Ow, my eyes. And this one, yeah, replaced with a longer screw. Yeah, it's a bit tight. Okay. I don't know if I'm doing this right because, oh wait, this one's in now. This side's a bit in, but yeah, it's a bit loose. Okay, just 2 screwdrivers. Okay, it's tight now. Yeah, it's not working. I have to get rid of this panel first. It's quite difficult. But yeah, this panel has to go. It's blocking the way, it's blocking the installation. Turns out to be a big mistake. Alright. Yeah. So now I can see the panel better, have a better access to the case. Bit too loose. This one's tight, but this one's loose, so okay, I'm going to use a tighter screw. I'm going to use a bigger bite. Okay. Still kind of loose. That's not good. This screw is like, I don't know, is it too tight or too high or something? Alright. Still a bit loose. It's almost as if I can't use the screws. Not allowed to use the screws or something. Why is it too high or something? There's another set of screws here. Are these slightly shorter? Won't come out. Right, something's wrong here. They're so tight they won't come out. Weird. Alright. Oh no. The damn thing is lifting the whole. The damn thing lifted the whole cake, the whole damn, lifted the whole spacer out. Ah, crap. Ah, boy. Why? Maybe this was a bad idea. Maybe I shouldn't have done this. Lifted the whole spacer out of the case. Terrible, terrible design. Yeah. Ah, crap. It's still not budging. Not wanting to budge. Really, the whole spacer came out. So, yeah.